Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel. And as usual, today we're talking about funnels. Who would have guessed, right? Now, specifically, we're going to be talking about how to create a conditional split path inside of your funnels to make sure that people are meeting certain criteria in order to, I guess, essentially be ascended or taken to specific pages in your funnel. This is a good way to help you customize the experience that people have from step to step, and make sure that they're seeing the correct product after they purchase certain things inside of your funnel. If that makes sense. Now, with that said, let's just dive right into it and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. All right. So let's jump over to my screen here and I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Now, all we need to do to actually add a conditional split path in a funnel is click on the little plus icon, just like you would if you're adding a step inside of a funnel sequence, right? Once we do so, it'll bring up a menu on the right-hand side of the screen, just like this. From there, you'll see three options: one for page, one for conditional split path, which is the right answer, and the other one for split test. Now, the one we're after, like I just kind of hinted to, is conditional split path right here in the middle. Click on that directly. It'll bring us back to the overview page. That's the side panel there will go away, and we can then begin to actually create our condition. From here, just click on the area where it says set up your conditions. When you do, you'll see a little pop-up in the center of the screen, just like so, where we can then begin to create our filter rules. Okay, now we can do this for products, you can do it for specific tags being added, you can do it for basically anything that you can even think of. So if we go over here and click on the first drop down, we can see all the options that are available to us. The one that I'm going to use in this case is purchased product. PUR, purchased product. But again, you can search through all the options, find the one that you're actually looking for, and go from there. Now, from there, just select the middle condition, which is, do they have that product? Do they not have that product? Do they buy that as one of the products that are available, or is not one of? So you can set up conditions however you want, but in this case I'm going to go with the option of they purchased the product that is, and then from the drop down we'll go with new test product. There we go. All right, from there click on submit, and just like that we now have a functioning split path. So after they go through the first step here, that's where they're going to actually purchase the product. In my situation, right, they're purchasing that new test product. When they get to this conditional split path, if they have purchased that specific product, they will go down the yes path. If they haven't, they'll go down the no path. Now, a good example for this type of setup is going to be when you bring upsells and downsells to your equation here, right? So let's pretend this is the upsell, right? You want to then check and see if they bought that upsell. If they did, then they'll go down the yes path. If they didn't purchase the upsell, then they'll go down the no path, which again, you can give the option of a downsell if you wanted to, right? It just allows you to have a dynamic flow for people as they go through your funnels. And that's basically it. That's all you need to know when it comes to set up conditional split paths. Now, once you have the condition set up, you can go in and start adding the actual funnel steps to the correct paths. So let's say this is the downsell over here. I'll move it over, although it does say upsell. Don't worry about that. Let's just pretend for this instance here, right? And then the yes path will leave it blank, and it just leads to the confirmation page. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions around anything that I covered today or anything within ClickFunnels Classic 2.0, it doesn't matter. Let me know down below and I'll point you in the right direction. Or if you'd rather get your questions answered live right there on the spot, there will be a link in the description that will essentially allow you to gate crash our open office hours. These calls are designed to help get you on the right path, answer any questions you might have around ClickFunnels Classic 2.0, you name it, and we'll get you up and running. With that said, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.